Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you buy Ethereum cryptocurrency on Coinbase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a quick video. There's actually not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to buy Ethereum cryptocurrency on Coinbase? Well, that's pretty easy. Coinbase is definitely one of the more popular places to buy cryptocurrencies, and Ethereum is offered on their app. And the reason it's popular is because they make it quick and easy to be able to purchase cryptocurrencies. And it's actually handled all through the app, the Coinbase app right here. It's this blue and white one right here. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave a referral link there. But I'm going to go ahead and open my Coinbase app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Coinbase app. This is the home screen here. Here on the home screen, you're going to see your current balance. As you can see, I just have a tiny bit of cryptocurrency in my Coinbase. It's also going to show you the different cryptocurrencies watch list that you have. But if you're looking to buy Ethereum cryptocurrency on Coinbase, what you want to do is click on this button down here on the bottom. It's this blue circle with two opposite facing arrows. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, one thing I want to let you know is this is not a tutorial on how to set up your Coinbase to purchase cryptocurrencies. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes how to verify your account in detail. But if you want to buy Ethereum cryptocurrency on your Coinbase app, what you want to do when you get this drop-down menu, you want to click on this one called Buy. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, this is going to show you a list of different cryptocurrencies that you can buy and sell on the Coinbase app. But if you want to buy Ethereum cryptocurrency on Coinbase, what you want to do is go ahead and choose this one right here. It looks like the trading price right now is $1,395. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, the screen pops up. And the nice thing about Coinbase is you can choose exactly in US dollars how much of Ethereum you want to buy. You can buy a fraction of an Ethereum. So for example, today I'm going to buy $50 worth of Ethereum. And since one Ethereum token or one Ethereum cryptocurrency piece, I'm not sure what it's called, is going to be over 1,300. Obviously, I cannot buy one with $50. So I will be issued a portion of Ethereum. It also shows you the bank account that you attached that's going to be withdrawn for your Ethereum purchase. Once you're ready, go ahead and click this blue preview buy. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, this is the order preview. If you're going to be buying Ethereum on your Coinbase app, as you can see, I'm going to get this fraction of an Ethereum. This is the trading price. As you can see, it just went up just by me switching the screen. Also shows the bank account that's going to be charged for this purchase, the purchase total of Ethereum that I'm buying, also Coinbase's fee. They do charge a transaction fee when you buy Ethereum on Coinbase, and then this is the total amount that will be withdrawn from my bank account. Also, this is pretty important. They tell you that you do need to keep enough funds in your bank account for 3 to 4 days because this $50 or however much you're buying will not be withdrawn immediately. It takes a few days for that to go through. If all that looks good, go ahead and click this blue Buy Now button. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and this is the order confirmation screen. So you can see I got that fraction of Ethereum purchased. They also give you the option to buy Ethereum every week or every month on a recurring purchase. That doesn't apply to me, so I'm going to click this Not Now button. Okay, guys, so now I have bought Ethereum on Coinbase. Just so you know, you do receive a confirmation email. It sounds like that just came in. Let me go ahead and switch over to that email now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and switched over to my confirmation email, and it's basically the same thing as the confirmation screen. It lets you know a reference code, which bank that you bought your Ethereum on Coinbase with, the date of transaction, the amount of Ethereum that you purchased, and the exchange rate when that purchase happened, along with the total amount that will come from your bank account. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase, this is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.